Today I'm going to show you how to delete a customer in QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks, deleting a customer usually means making the customer inactive. This removes them from your active customer list, but keeps their past invoices, payments, and reports saved. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, go to Sales or Customers, depending on your layout. Then select Customers to open your customer list. Find the customer you want to remove. You can use the search bar or filters if you have a long customer list. Before continuing, make sure you selected the correct customer, especially if you have similar names in your account. Check the box beside the customer's name. Then open the drop-down menu or action menu above the list. Select Make Inactive. QuickBooks will show a confirmation message. Click Yes. Make inactive to confirm. The customer will now be removed from your active customer list. Their past transactions will still stay in QuickBooks, so your reports and history remain accurate. And that's how to delete or make a customer inactive in QuickBooks Online in 2026.